Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. I am thrilled to show you Creative Grid's newest ruler that shares a message I think we all truly believe. And it says, I love my quilting friends. Now, one of my favorite things to do is go on quilt retreats. And you may be part of a quilt guild meeting. You haven't been able to do that during the middle of this coronavirus pandemic. But you can send your friends some love by maybe sending them one of the Creative Grid's rulers. It has its normal awesome grip on the back, and I'll show you some of the features of the ruler in just a moment. Being able to gather together as quilters is part of what feeds our souls, and that's been one of the hardest parts about this pandemic. But again, sending this to friends during this time may be just kind of brighten up their whole day. And if you've got a friend that has a birthday coming up, and sometimes it's hard to buy for friends, this might be a very perfect and affordable gift for them. So let me just show you some of the features. So it's 2.5 by 6.5. I love that for when I'm cutting a charm pack. I can just be working with a very small ruler. In fact, when I was making the prayer pockets, or the pocket prayers rather, with the cross inside, I would take a charm pack and I would cut my backings out of the charm squares. I would cut this direction and then turn it this way, and I get my 4 2.5-inch backings. So I love that it's just small and compact and perfect for charm packs and mini charms. So you've got the little bridge here that has the awesome message, I love my quilting friends. Let me turn that so you can see it. And of course, I love the hearts. So you've got 1 inch on the left side of the bridge and 1 inch on the right. Here's that nice, wonderful, let me put another piece of fabric so you can maybe see it there. That nice dashed 1/4 inch seam allowance. I love that whenever I'm trimming something and I want to trim a 1/4 inch seam allowance, I can lay that right on there and know that I've got that. Of course, you have your 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch markings here. And I love this grid where it's just very compact, all 1/8 inch. And here, you're really focusing on the larger 1/4 inch markings, but you still have the 1/8 inch in there. So besides being absolutely adorable, it's a very practical ruler as well. And I think right now, while we can't gather with each other, and even when we can, I love sharing the message that I do truly love my quilting friends, and I know you do too. So pick up a ruler or several and share the love. I'll see you next time on another Shabby Fabrics video.